2 BHK in Brigade Park Side East, brand new flat on the second floor and east facing property. So this is very beautiful designed, kitchen unit. So this is Puja Mandir and you have extra storage here. And let me show you the entire kitchen. This is a very spacious kitchen with enough cabinets in the kitchen, and they have provided one chimney over in the kitchen. So these are the extra storage and the aluminum window, and there is one sink in the kitchen. So which is very beautiful designed. And let me show you the hall area. Once you step out from the hall area, so there are 2 bedrooms with attached bathroom. So this is your TV unit. This part is your TV unit. So from the hall you can access your beautiful balcony. So this is your beautiful balcony and 2 bedrooms with 2 attached bathrooms. This is master bedroom. And wardrobes are there in the bedroom. And there is attached bathroom. You can also keep your washing machine in the bathroom. Western type commode. There is enough space in the bathroom. Exhaust fan is provided, and geysers will be there here, which is covered with a false ceiling. So here you are going to keep your washing machine in the bathroom. And let me show you the second bedroom. So this is your second bedroom. And the second bedroom also have one fan and one tube light, and there are some lights. And also these are the wardrobes, enough extra storage they are given in the bedroom. Slide mower wardrobe and with attached bathroom. So these are western type commode. Sink over there. There is one mirror, and this is your clean and neat bathroom. So again, let me show you a quick view of the flat. This is the hall area. So that part is your kitchen, and this is one more bedroom, and this is your balcony. So this is on the second floor, east facing property, and very brand new flat which is available for family or bachelors. So the rent is 45, and the plus 5,000 is the maintenance. So that's all. You have all amenities you can access: lift, security, power backup, swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, tennis court, walking area. Many are there. The society is in Brigade Park Side East on the Sarjapur main road. So that's all. Thanks for watching this video.